So good afternoon. What I would like, oh, sorry, this is not the first slide. Okay, here it is. All right. So what I would like to discuss today are quantum optical heat machines. Now, willing or not, we are all familiar with the heat machines. They are all around us. Uh, Cars, airplanes, air conditioners, photocells, power plants, uh, are all essentially heat machines. But I would like to focus on quantum optical heat machines, which means machines that are powered by radiation that has quantum properties. All right. Now, the question is, why is this interesting? This area of research is just starting. We are introducing theoretical concepts there and are collaborating with experimentalists to make them happen in the lab. But for what reason? Because perhaps they may help us save the quantum revolution. What do I mean by that? You may have heard uh, about the so-called second quantum revolution, which is supposed to be happening now. I'm not sure we all are witnessing it. And that means essentially the advent of technologies that are based on quantum mechanics. Now, it is, of course, an exciting topic, but it is a dangerous topic as well, in the sense that the focus is on so-called quantum computers, which are highly promising, but extremely challenging to realize. And I personally wouldn't invest in stock of companies that are purportedly trying to develop those. That will take quite a while. In the meantime, people may lose interest in this quantum revolution unless we first tone down our expectations of it. Okay, so the big promise of quantum computers is still, I would say, quite a distance into the future, in my assessment. But there are other avenues which